Have you ever wondered if your savings are growing as fast as they could be? Many people invest in SoFi for its attractive interest rates, but one question often arises: does SoFi compound monthly? In this video, we'll dive deep into the world of compound interest and uncover the truth about SoFi's compounding frequency. Imagine you have $1,000 invested at a 5% annual interest rate. If the interest is compounded annually, you'll earn $50 at the end of the year. But what if that interest is compounded monthly? In that case, you'd earn a little more than $51. This is the power of compound interest. The more frequently interest is calculated and added to your principal, the faster your money grows. So, does SoFi compound monthly? The short answer is, it depends. While SoFi offers various financial products, including savings accounts and CDs, the compounding frequency can vary depending on a specific product. Diving into specific products, let's break down the compounding details for some of SoFi's popular products. SoFi Money. This is a high-yield savings account known for its competitive interest rates. While SoFi doesn't explicitly state the compounding frequency for SoFi Money on its website, it's generally safe to assume that it compounds daily. This is because daily compounding maximizes the benefits of compound interest, making your savings grow faster. SoFi Certificates of Deposit, CDs offer fixed interest rates for a specific term. The compounding frequency for SoFi CDs is usually stated in the product details when you open an account. However, it's common for CDs to compound monthly or daily. SoFi Invest. This is a robo-advisor platform that helps you invest in a diversified portfolio of stocks and bonds. While SoFi Invest doesn't directly offer savings accounts, it's important to note that the investments within your portfolio can generate dividends and capital gains, which can be reinvested to compound your returns. The importance of compounding frequency. Understanding the compounding frequency of your SoFi products is crucial for maximizing your returns. The more frequently interest is compounded, the faster your money grows. For example, a savings account that compounds daily will earn slightly more interest than one that compounds monthly. Additional factors to consider. While compounding frequency is important, it's not the only factor to consider when choosing a financial product. Other factors include interest rate. The higher the interest rate, the faster your money will grow. Fees. Some financial products may have fees that can eat into your returns. Minimum balance requirements. Some products may require a minimum balance to earn interest. Does SoFi compound monthly? The answer is, it depends on the specific product. While SoFi Money and CDs often compound daily or monthly, it's always best to check the product details for confirmation. By understanding the compounding frequency and other factors, you can make informed decisions about how to grow your savings and investments with SoFi. Ready to start maximizing your savings with SoFi? Visit their website to learn more about their products and open an account today. And don't forget to stay tuned for more financial tips and insights in our upcoming videos. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.